Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase Lego printing. Many Lego enthusiasts find themselves wanting to customize their bricks or restore older pieces to their original, unprinted state. This process can seem daunting, but with the right approach and a few common household items, you can achieve excellent results. We'll go over the simple steps involved, ensuring you have all the information needed to confidently remove unwanted designs from your beloved Lego elements. Get ready to give your bricks a fresh start. To begin, you'll need a few essential items. The star of our show is a melamine foam eraser, often called a magic eraser. These are incredibly effective for gently abrading the printed surface. You'll also want a small bowl of water to dampen the eraser and a soft, clean cloth for drying. For particularly stubborn prints, some people find a tiny dab of non-gel toothpaste can act as a very mild abrasive. Always prioritize gentle methods to protect your brick's integrity. Now, let's get to the hands-on part. First, lightly dampen a corner of your melamine foam eraser with water. Next, gently rub the printed area of your Lego brick using small, circular motions. The key here is patience and light pressure. You don't want to scratch the plastic. Periodically check your progress. Once the print has disappeared, rinse the brick thoroughly under cool water to remove any residue, then pat it dry with your soft cloth. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Before you tackle your favorite minifigure, always test your chosen method on a spare or less valuable brick first. This helps you gauge the pressure needed and ensures the plastic won't be damaged. Remember, excessive scrubbing can dull the plastic's finish, so always err on the side of gentleness. Be especially careful with older Lego pieces, as their plastic might be more brittle. With a little care and these simple techniques, you can successfully remove printing and give your Lego collection a fresh, customized look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.